Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Um, this is the part 5 of the AI Generated DevOps series. So in this tutorial, we are going to go through the AI powered workflow automation using n8n. N8n, short for like Node-RED like workflow automation tool. It's an open source workflow automation tool that lets you connect apps, APIs, and services and automate tasks without writing much or any code. So what N8 does is that it acts as a low code if this, then that engine idea for you. For example, automating business processes, integrating APIs, building internal tools, scheduling tasks and data flows, triggering workflows from webhook, cron jobs, queues, forms, etc. So in this video, I'm going to this is the part of our AI generated DevOps series. So I'm going to put us through how we install, create a GitHub to Slack automation using n8n. So stay tuned and let's begin. So the key features for n8n are like our visual workflow editor. You can drag and drop nodes to build logic. We have 350 plus integrations. Connect to tools like Slack, Discord, GitHub, Notion, PostgreSQL, AWS, and so on. Webhook and events. These are the key features actually. Trigger flows from HTTP requests, timer, queues, etc. Then you have custom code support. You can write JavaScript functions inline if needed. That's if you want to. Then you have self-hosted and private. You can deploy it yourself or use the cloud version. Also, the another feature is that looping and branching, meaning that add conditions, loops, waits, and retires. You understand? So we are just going to like put all these like into text in this series. So example use case is like or to send a Slack message when a form is submitted, backup Airtable rows to Google Sheets, summarize and route emails using AI, e.g. OpenAI, ChatGPT, any AI that you want, Grok, etc. Then you can trigger continuous integration builds on GitHub when issues are labeled. You can scrape a website and push results to Notion every day. So those are the use cases of n8n. So we are going to like run n8n. So I'm going to just go through it step by step procedure. So what we do now is so to install n8n, I'm going to do I'm going to write okay using Docker run dash it dash rm, that is if it's available, um, dash p, that's for the ports, 5678, hold on, 5678, then no, sorry, this should not be included. So let me just pause the video so that I just finish typing the command and I'll okay. So I'm going to pause the video for a while so that this can once this is completed, then we can so it doesn't take too much of our time, so we can continue from there. Let me just pause the video for a while. while this is completed. So as you can see, um, all images have been pulled, they finished and they are starting, and they finished, and I think they are up and running right now. So let me see this. There is a duplication. Okay, please take recommended actions to update your configuration. Okay, running n8n without task runners is duplicated. Task runners will be turned on by default in a future version. Please set n8 numbers runners enabled true to enable task runners now and avoid potential issues in the future. Okay, fine. These are just instructions. So editor is now accessible via this location. Okay, then press O to open the browser. Okay, fine. So now we have successfully installed and we've successfully installed n8n using Docker. So now the next phase is to create a GitHub to Slack automation. So I'm going to share my browser screen. So we are going to go through that process as well. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to comment. Your comments is viable. It's very, very important. If there's anything that we need to improve in this video series, just drop it in the comment section. Thank you. Okay. Now, so as you can see my screen, this is the n8n login setup page. So I'm going to register myself. Let me register myself. Okay. Good afternoon. Next, so I want to set up an account with n8n. So what we are going to do is that we are going to set up a GitHub trigger. Let me see what best. Okay, get started. Let me just skip all this. Okay, let me just okay, education, DevOps, CI/CD, file registration, monitoring and alerts. We can select as much as possible, as much as you like. I think that's okay for that. Okay, so my team, okay, let's say Google. Okay, so okay, receive a free activation key for the advanced features below lifetime access. Okay, yeah, we can get this as well if you want to, and we can also skip. Okay, now, so this is the interface for n8n, as you can see on my screen. So now, what we are going to do is like, since we've opened the n8 UI, The next step is to we need to let's look for a GitHub trigger. Let me see workflow. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to set up a GitHub trigger workflow whereby I'm going to select a repo. Let me do that from here. Open a note. Let me search for GitHub. Then let me select repo. Hmm, okay, it has to do a repository action actually. Okay, get the repo. Okay, parameters. Okay, credentials should be. Let me see settings. Always output data. Use it once. Okay. However, I'm going to do another video series for n8n tutorial. So this I'm just trying to this is just a practical view, but what we tend to achieve in this video is to just get the interface right. So and I think we've successfully done that because okay, we've successfully done that. So I'm going to do another tutorial, a video series for n8n, how you can use n8n, as a workflow, like a low code, no code automation tool. Thank you for watching, and don't forget again, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can drop your comment if there's anything that you want that you would like to be improved based on my video series. Thank you.